Hello everyone, today I wanna explain about four-stroke diesel engine. Four-stroke diesel engine have four steps. Step 1, intake stroke. The piston moves downward from the top dead center to the bottom dead center. The intake valves open, allowing air to enter the cylinder. No fuel is injected at this stage. The downward movement of the piston creates vacuum, drawing in the fresh air. Number 2, compression stroke. The piston moves upward from BDC to TDC. Both intake and exhaust valves remain closed. 3. Power stroke. Piston reaches TDC, fuel is injected to highly compressed hot air. Number 4. The exhaust stroke. Piston moves upward from BDC and TDC. Valves open and burn gas expels from the cylinder. We can see from this video. First one, intake, compression, four stroke. Nah, dia untuk mengatur gas tadi. And exhaust. Next, we talk about two-stroke diesel engine. Two-stroke diesel engine only have two steps. Step 1, compression stroke, upward stroke. The piston moves upward, compressing air inside the cylinder. The fuel ignites due to compression heat, creating an explosion that pushes piston downward. Exhaust moves downward. Power stroke, when expanding gases the force piston downward, generating power. The new air starts help push out remaining exhaust gases. You can see. Exhaust air. Next, we talk about PV diagram. PV diagram number 1 to number 2. It called isentropic compression. The piston moves upward, compressing the air adiabatically without heat transfer. Pressure and temperature increase significant. Volume decreases. Number 2 to 3, constant pressure head addition. Fuel is injected and burned at constant pressure while expanding. The volume increases as combustion takes place. This is where most of the energy added to the system. Number 3 to number 4. 3 to number 4. It called isentropic expansion power. The hot gases expand adiabatically, pushing the piston downward. This is where the useful work is produced. Pressure and temperature drop as gases expand. Number 4 to number 1. Constant volume heat rejection. At bottom dead center, exhaust gas are expelled. The volume remains constant while pressure decreases. Now we talk about TS diagram. Number 1 to number 2 is entropic compression. Entropy remain constant, no heat transfer. Number 2 to number 3, constant pressure heat addition. Heat is added increasing temperature and entropy. Number 3 to number 4, isentropic expansion. Entropy remains constant. Temperature drop as the gases expand and do work. Number 4 to number 1, constant volume rejection. Heat is rejected at constant volume, reducing entropy. The conclusion, the PV diagram shows how pressure and volume change inside the engine cylinder. The TS diagram explains heat exchange and entropy variation. The efficiency of diesel engine depends on the compression ratio and the cut-off ratio. Next, we talk about pros and cons of two-stroke and four-stroke diesel engine. The pros from we can see at this table. The pros, four-stroke have lower and for two-stroke high. A power stroke occurs every more power for the same engine size, lighter and compact design, fewer parts, make it smaller and lighter, simple construction and lower cost, no complex valve mechanism. Fewer moving parts leads to reduced maintenance, better power to weight ratio. Common in application where high power is needed for less weight. The cons, less fuel efficient, some fuel escape with exhaust gases leading to higher consumption, more pollution, incompleted combustion and oil mixing with fuel increase emission, shorter life engine. This for two-stroke engine. Now we talk about four-stroke diesel engine. The pros, more fuel efficient, better combustion and control fuel injection, improve mileage, lower emission, more complete combustion, reduce unburned and fuel emission, longer lifespan and durability, less tread per stroke, leading to lower wear, better cooling and lubrication. Now we talk about what are difference with Otto cycle and Seiliger cycle. Otto cycle used in gasoline engines. The Otto cycle is the ideal for spark ignition engines such as gasoline, petrol engine. It consists of four processes. Process 1 is isentropic compression. 1 to 2, air-fuel mixture is compressed adiabatically. Number 2, constant volume heat addition. 2 to 3, heat fuel ignition is added at constant volume. Isentropic expansion. The combustion gas expand doing work on the piston. Constant volume rejection. 4 1, the exhaust gases are expelled at constant volume. Intinya Otto cycle used in petrol engine, heat addition occurs at only constant volume. Compression ratio is lower than diesel cycle. Higher efficiency at high RPM due to rapid combustion. Seiliger cycle, it always called dual cycle. Scaliger cycle used in diesel and semi-diesel engine. The Scaliger cycle, also called dual cycle or mixed cycle. Scaliger cycle have five process. For the process 1 isentropic compression 1 to 2, air compressed adiabatically. Number 2, constant volume heat addition 2 to 3A. A part of the fuel burns rapidly like in the Otto cycle. Number 3, the constant pressure heat addition 3A to 3B. The remaining fuel burns gradually like in the diesel cycle. Isentropic expansion. Number 4, isentropic expansion 3B to 4. The high pressure gases expand and performing work. Number 5, constant volume rejection. Number 4 to number 1. Heat is rejected at constant volume. Kata kuncinya, Scaliger itu used in some diesel engine, especially high performance. Perlu di garis bawahi, ini khusus untuk di high performance application. Heat is added partly constant volume, like the Otto cycle, and partly at the constant pressure, like diesel cycle. More flexible than Otto or diesel cycle. Higher efficiency than diesel at cycle condition. Thank you for everyone. Cukup sekian penjelasan hari ini. Sekian dan terima kasih.